Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video I will be discussing some of the very important points which will surely help you to score good marks in your upcoming GATE exam. Even these points and the tips which I will be sharing and I will be giving you in this video today will be helping you a lot to do the best preparation for the upcoming exam, even to score the good marks. So guys, I hope today's video will be helping you a lot in doing the best preparation for your upcoming exam. We will soon be starting the discussion about all these important points which we are going to cover up in this session today. So if you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. Even you can click on the bell icon which you will get after clicking on subscribe button there, so that you will keep on getting the notification for the new videos which I will upload on this channel. And even guys, all the videos which I have already uploaded before this one, you can even check them out because they are gonna be very important too. If you have not watched those videos, you will be finding many tricks, concepts, questions, right approach to solve the questions, and many things you will find on this channel. So yeah, you can subscribe it and you can watch all these important videos which I have uploaded on this channel till now. So now let's come to the important point which we will be covering here in this session. But even before that, one more point I would like to share here with all of you that will even be helping you all in doing the best preparation for your upcoming exam. So guys, I hope you all will be familiar with the Unacademy Plus and the Unacademy Iconic subscription. If you will be taking the Plus subscription, you will get all these benefits as they have been mentioned here on the screen. Okay, if you will be taking the Iconic subscription, you will get all these benefits, like for the particular category or the subscription, the benefits which you will get there, they have been shown here on the screen. So depending on which one you find more beneficial for you, if you think you want to get the guidance by the top educators, you want to attend the more important live sessions, well structured and well planned courses, classes, so in that case you can take the Unacademy Plus or the Iconic subscription. And whenever you will be taking the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code which is Anjali A Live, as it has been mentioned here on the screen, or you can even use and apply the referral code that is Anjali Arora, as it has been mentioned here on the screen. Both are correct, Anjali A Live or Anjali Arora, but at a time you can just use one referral code. So any one of them you can use and apply. Even right now guys, many new courses are starting on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation. So if you want to join these important courses and their classes and you don't want to miss them, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. And whenever you will be taking the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code Anjali A Live or Anjali Arora. Okay, any one of them. And guys, the subscription is available for different duration. For example, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. And whenever you will select the duration after selecting the goal, for example CSR UGC NET, okay, if you want to prepare for the same exam, or even the courses which we are having there will be helping you in your GATE exam and the other similar exams preparation too. Then after selecting the duration, you will get the place to write the referral code. There you can write this referral code or Anjali A Live, Anjali Arora or Anjali A Live. Any of the referral codes you can write and apply. You need to write everything in capital letters and then apply it. At the same time, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Okay guys, so this is how you will be able to get the discount, and you will be able to start attending the live classes by the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation. All these courses and the classes will be helping you a lot in doing the best preparation for the exam. So this is how everything is going to be very much beneficial for you and will be helping you to take your preparation to the next level. Now let's start the discussion about the points we will be covering in this session today. So guys, now since we are already having the information for the GATE exam, the upcoming GATE exam, so many students will keep on asking about this thing, that how we should start the preparation, or even when we are starting the preparation, what are the things we need to cover up and we should not miss. So that's what I will be telling you in this video today, that what you should do, how you should do the preparation, and how you should cover up all these important things. Okay, so I hope it's gonna be helpful for all of you. So the first and the most important thing I'm gonna let you know here is that whenever you are starting your preparation, if you are just gonna prepare for the first time for the exam, it's very important that you should have an idea about the exam pattern, as well as you should know what type of questions have been asked earlier. So that first and the most important thing is to get the idea about the exam pattern. And to get that idea, you can even check the information bulletin or wherever you will have the exact information about the number of questions, the type of questions and all of that, the negative marking and all of that, like everything is included in it. Done. So get to know about that point first of all. Basically get to know your exam. Done. After that, if I'm going to talk about the next point, since if you will just get to know about the exam pattern, that means you are getting to know that what type of questions, how many questions and how many this type, that type, negative marking and all of that, you are just getting to know. But what about the type of questions now? So for that, I would suggest you that initially you should go through the previous year question papers, like the recent years 3-4 question papers you can check out, and then that will be providing you an idea about the type of questions, the level of questions and all of that, so that you will be able to do your further preparation on the basis of that. And whenever you will be doing the preparation for any subject or any topic, you will have an idea in your mind that actually what you need to prepare on what points you need to focus more. Okay, so that's how you can get to know about this thing too. So that means analysis is even important. Analysis of what? The previous year question papers. Okay, because that will provide you exact and the clear idea what you actually need to consider and you need to prepare. That analysis is very much important. After that, guys, once you get to know about the exam pattern, you got to know about the type of questions, and you have already done the analysis for the previous year question papers and all of that, you had enough knowledge now that what kind of preparation further you have to follow and you have to do. Okay, so now you can start your preparation by making a proper plan, that what is that subject you will be considering first of all, and what you want to actually consider initially, or the top 5 or 3, or like such kind of categories you can make. Even you can divide or distribute the subjects in 3 different categories, and you can prepare like on the basis of levels you will be making. For example, level 1 preparation will have these subjects, level 2 preparation will have these subjects, level 3 preparation will have these subjects. But you should even make the target for the number of days you will be devoting for each and every subject, or for the combination of subjects you have made clear. For example, 20 days, 10 days, 15 days, depending on how many days are remaining before your exam. Whenever you are going to watch this video, the number of days which are remaining, on the basis of that you can just consider all these things. It will even boost your confidence when you will be preparing the subjects, okay, step by step, and you will have a proper plan with you that whenever you are going to cover up this subject, when you will be covering this subject or these many subjects, like depending on that, you will have an exact and a clear idea what you are going to do and what you have already planned. Are you following it? And on the basis of this strategy and the plan you will be making, okay, also keep on considering and keep on doing your preparation, as well as keep on doing the analysis of your preparation time to time. That's even very much important. Clear? Now let's come to the next point. I hope you all know that in the exam virtual calculator we are gonna have. So in that case, I want to suggest you that you should be able to use the virtual calculator, and to get that idea you should be able to have, like, you should try to have some app related to that, or you can work on it, okay, so that you will be familiar with the virtual calculator and you will not find it like something new in the final exam. So that should not be the case. Did you get that? That means you should try to work on the virtual calculator, get habitual to use it, okay, so that you will not find it awkward in your final exam, and you will not find this new thing there, and you will be completely able to focus on your questions and the concepts. Done. And guys, even when you will keep on preparing the subjects, don't forget to do the PYQs along with that preparation. In the GATE exam, the PYQs are very much important, so you can't skip that part and you can't even miss it. And when you are going to follow all these things, the revision is must to do thing. So how we can skip that part? For that, you should make a formula or a concept, or a, you can say, revision notebook, whatever you want to call it. and whatever important things you are preparing, you are getting in a topic or a subject, now what you can do, you can note it down there in that notebook. Now I would even like to tell you that how you need to make that notebook. So basically in our register, which will have enough number of pages, distribute or divide the pages in such a way that 30-40 pages for one subject, okay, or the 30-40 pages for another one, and that's how like you will keep on considering those number of pages for each and every subject, and that's how in one single notebook you can have everything with you, all the subjects and all the important points. Clear? This is how the things can be more easy for you, and you can take your preparation to the next level with all this preparation and all the strategy I'm covering in this video today. So guys, I hope it will be clear to all of you, and even it will be helping you all. So in case if you're gonna have any doubt anywhere, surely tell me about it in the comment section. We will try to consider that. And if you're getting everything, that's great. Done. And when you're making this revision or the formula notebook, don't forget to do the revision on the regular basis, because it will even help you a lot. And when you are doing the PYQs, even if you find some PYQs quite difficult and new for you, okay, some different concept is there, you are finding it difficult, then make a separate practice notebook too, okay, where you can note down those questions, and that will be helping you to just go through those questions and the concepts in easy way. So I hope guys each and everything will be clear to all of you, and you are going to follow this strategy, which will surely help you to score good marks and to get the good rank in the exam too. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. I hope each and everything is clear to all of you. And yeah, if you think you want to get the guidance by the top educators, you want to attend the more regular live classes by the top educators, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. And whenever you will be taking the subscription, use and apply the referral code, that is Anjali A Live or Anjali Arora. Both are correct, but at a time you can just use one referral code, okay, and apply the referral code. At the same time, you will be getting the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Any one of the referral codes you can use at a time. And along with that guys, once you will take the subscription, after that you will be able to attend the live classes by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation. And all these courses will help you to learn the important tricks, topics, concepts, questions, right approach to solve the questions, and every important thing you will get done. So I hope everything is clear to all of you guys, and thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end and for attending this session till the end. I hope each and everything is clear to all of you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And also, if you are new on this channel, you can subscribe it by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you everyone.